faith will move mountains. Fuzhou Kimstone Ceramic Technology Company Limited combines traditional ceramic craftsmanship with modern aesthetics to develop and manufacture such a ceramic barbecue oven, which will be shared with the world. To ensure the characteristics of each barbecue oven and the natural value of returning clay, Kamado insists on using traditional craftsmanship in key processes. Each barbecue oven uses more than 10 types of raw materials, undergoes more than 10 craftsmen, more than 20 production processes, and takes more than a week to produce a qualified product. As a sealed ceramic container, the wall is thick, heat is not easily dissipated, and the temperature rises quickly. When reaching a certain temperature, it has functions of constant temperature, insulation, and temperature reflection. During barbecue, food moisture is firmly locked in, resulting in less loss of nutrients and a good taste. It is a highly respected barbecue oven. Kamado has the professional R&D and design team, and there has over 10 years of experiences in foreign trade OEM production, serving over 1,000 customers. Kamado's original hand-drawn ceramic barbecue oven adds collection and viewing value to the product, making it a unique gift for family and friends. Under the leadership of Mr. Ocean Zhang, the general manager, Kamado has meticulously crafted and ensured the quality of every product with a spirit of craftsmanship. We believe that in the near future, Kamado's products will receive more and more attention and love from people. We believe that through the efforts of Kamado's team, ceramic barbecue oven products will enter thousands of households and the world. Let life meet beauty